In this video, I will be showing you how to use Melio for your payments. I'll go over every single step that you need to take in order to get started using Melio, so by the end of this video, you will know exactly how you can get started with Melio. So make sure to watch until the end so that you don't miss any necessary steps. Now the first step is to head over to the Melio website. Now I am an affiliate of Melio, so I'll leave my affiliate link to Melio down in the description and that will take you to this page. It's of no additional cost to you to sign up through my link, so I'd really appreciate it if you do sign up through my link. So after you click on the link down in the description, you will see this screen right here. So it's a simpler way to pay vendors and contractors. So in order to get started, simply click on Start Now. Now the great thing about Melio is that there are no monthly subscriptions. All you pay is a fee on every single payment you do. Now in order to create an account, you can either enter an email and password, you can connect with Google or sign in with Intuit. Now you will need to answer some questions, so first tell them who you are, business or accounting firm. I'll say business. Now here tell them a bit more about yourself, so your first and last name, your date of birth and mobile number. Then enter the name of your company or your DBA name, so how you are doing business. Next up, where are you located? So just enter your company address right here. Now which industry does your company operate in? So you can click search industries and then just type a keyword. For example, if I type in marketing here, you will see a bunch of different industries right there. So for example, marketing consulting services, telemarketing, and you can also just use marketing as your industry, but I'll for example use marketing research and public opinion polling and then click continue. Now what is your company's estimated monthly bill payment volume? Up to 10k, 10 to 50, 50 to 150 or 150k plus. So just make an estimation, let's say for me it's 10 to 50k per month, then click continue. Now your company is all set up and now you can click pay a vendor or you can go to your dashboard. Now I'm first just going to head over into my dashboard. So setting up your account is pretty simple and we have now completed that and it took about 3 minutes to do. Now here they have a tour, but in my opinion Melio is pretty easy to use, so I'll skip the tour. Now here you will see 4 different sections. You can see your vendors, bills, approvals and payments. Now in your vendors you can now add your first vendor. So start by selecting from the suggestions below or add your own. So if I click add my own right here, I can then add a vendor's business name, vendor's contact name, email address or phone number. So this could also be a contractor, for example. Just add them in right here. I'll just use one of their suggestions, for example this one, and click add selected vendor. So now here you will see your vendors. Now if you want to add more vendors later, you can always click add vendor right there. Now you can see your open balance with this vendor and your unpaid bills. Now if I click on the 3 dots right here, I can click create a bill. And then for example, if I need to pay this vendor $3,000, then I can add that right here, and then you also have some advanced bill details such as the invoice date, payment frequency. For example, if this is a monthly payment, I can set that up. Then you can do the recurring payment duration, and then you can do the first payment delivery date. So let's say the 6th right here, and then click continue to pay. Now in order to actually pay one of these vendors, you can either choose to pay with your bank account or card. Now if I for example choose a card, you can then click link my card by entering your card details right here, and then you will also need to enter your payments delivery details, so how the money will be delivered into their business bank account, for example. So now once I have added this bill, I can then click bills right here, and now if I would have completed the setup of that bill, it would show up right here. So then it will show something like this right here: in 3 days you need to pay this payment, or if it's overdue, then you will also see that right here. So basically this is a really easy overview of all the payments you still need to do for your business so that you don't forget any. So whenever you need to pay for anything, even if it's in 3 months, just click on new payment and just add it in right here, and then you can also just schedule it. So for example, if I add this bill in right here and then click save and close, then I can always pay it later. As you can see right here, you now have the creation date, and if I also want to add a due date, then I can just click on the bill, then click more, then click edit bill, and then for the due date, let's say this one is 22nd, then click save and close. And now you will see that the due date of this specific bill is on the 22nd of May, and for the status it will say due later. Now if I change this to tomorrow, for example, it will then say due in 1 day. So basically you can filter the list of these payments by the due date. So then you can see, for example, this one is due in 1 day, and I have it in chronological order. So then it is in 2 days and in 1 month, 3 months, etc. So then you can simply click on pay right here in order to pay this bill. And then again, you can go through this process right here. Then here in the approval section, you will approve or decline payments from here. So basically payments that need your approval will show up here once scheduled. Then you can click manage approval workflows, and that will take you to your settings and specifically to payment approval workflows. So here you can control which payments need approval and who can approve them. So you can click add workflow, and then for example if the payment about is more than or equal to, let's say $100, and the payment scheduler is any accountant or contributor, then do this. So this is the workflow, require approval from, let's say from me since I am the only person in here, and then click save workflow. Now if you do want to invite your team members, then what you can do is click collaborators right here in settings, and you can go to settings by clicking right there. So go to collaborators, then you can click add, and now you can enter their first and last name and invite them by email. Then you can make them an admin, accountant or contributor. And then once you click send invite, they will get an invitation in their email and they can simply join this workspace. Now here you want to just go through all of these settings and make sure everything is correct. So you have your profile settings, then your company settings here. Then again, invite your collaborators, set up your payment approval workflows. Then you can set up email notifications. For example, if a bill is near its due date, you want to make sure that you get an email. Then you can sync and import with QuickBooks, Xero, or you can use Amazon Business or Gmail. So you can just connect any of these. Then here you can manage your payment methods, so you can link your business bank account, your business card, etc. Now I do recommend using a business bank account since this has no fee and the card has a 2.9% fee, and that 2.9% will really add up over time. Then in billing here, you will see your payment history and you can contact support from here. Now if you want to get paid, that's also possible through Melio. So far we have only gone over how you can actually pay other people, but if you click get paid right here, you can then click start getting paid. Now here you need to customize your company URL, so usually it's just melio.me/your company name, but you can change it if you want, and then click continue. Now here you can upload your business logo or skip this. Now here enter your company's legal details, so your business name, business address, tax ID number type and your tax ID number. Now you can choose your business type, so are you a standalone business, part of a larger organization or not sure. I will say standalone business and click continue. Now you want to go and connect a bank account to actually receive the payments, so you can connect it instantly or verify with deposits. So the safer way is to verify with deposits, so then you will receive 2 micro deposits in your bank account in 1 to 2 business days. Then you can verify the amounts by entering that in Melio, and then you will be certain that you entered the correct bank account. But you can also just connect instantly. Then you just need to log in and connect your bank to request, track and receive incoming payment. So just choose whichever one you want. I'll just do connect instantly. And then here Melio uses Plaid to connect your bank account. So just click continue. Here enter your phone number or continue as a guest. Then select your institution, so which bank do you use. And you can also search for a bank, but for example if I use Chase, then I'll click Chase right here. And here you can simply click continue to log in. And then you want to go in and log in to your bank account right here in order to connect it. Now after you've done that, you can actually send payment requests with your unique link, where people can pay directly into your bank account from the link that you sent them. So that's super simple, and you can also set up some kind of a recurring payment, and it's all super simple. Now here you will see get paid, you have the unsent, the sent, in progress and paid sections right here. So that you can just track in what section each of your payment links is, and you can really easily see who has paid you, who hasn't paid you, etc. Now here in customers, you can add your customers. So then you can simply send payment requests by adding the customer details. So click add customers, just enter their company name, and all of this right here is optional. So then when you click add customer, you will now have them as a customer right here, and then you will really easily be able to send them payment requests in the get paid section. Now here in vendors, you can do the same, but then instead of with customers, you do it with vendors. Now I already showed you how you can do this. But now we have basically set up our Melio account. Now here in the top left you can see your current workspace, but if you have multiple companies that you want to manage inside of Melio, you can even add multiple companies, and you can do all of this completely for free. So it's an amazing tool, and here you can see basically what you will get. So you get free features that come with every Melio account, unlimited users, accounting, software sync, easy bill capture, etc. right here. And if you're wondering what the fees are, here it is. So if you do an ACH bank transfer, there are literally no fees. Then if they mail your check, it's $1.50, pay by card is 2.9%, instant transfer 1%, a fast ACH bank transfer is also 1% up to $30, a fast check is $20, and international payments are $20 flat. So basically, if you only use ACH bank transfer, it's completely free to use. If you use any of these other ones, it will be a couple percent per transaction. So it's really not that expensive, but the fact that you can actually use it for free by just doing bank transfers is pretty amazing. So again, if you want to get started completely for free, you can use the link down in the description to take you to this page where you can click start now and really easily get started using the steps that I showed you in this video. So now you know how to use Melio. And one more thing I forgot to mention is that they also have a mobile app where you can also really easily pay on the go. So you can check that out as well. Now if this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.